Hello, friends. This is Sanjay Singh, your business performance coach. Every small and medium enterprise owner, जिसे मैं चालक मालक भी कहता हूँ, always aspires to have big business muscles. And why not? Every strong working, every hardworking, smart SME enterprise owner must have business muscles by virtue of the hard work that they do, by virtue of dedication towards a purpose, by virtue of fully putting themselves behind the goals of the small and medium enterprise that they have. Why not? They deserve every bit of success that they want. Now, I have been dealing with so many small and medium enterprise owners in the last 9 to 10 years. And in this series called Business Muscles, I want to discuss about some of those points which I found there in all small and medium enterprise owners who were not able to scale up their business beyond a point. Am I talking about unsuccessful SME owners here? Absolutely not. I'm talking about SME owners who are successful, but they could not scale up their success beyond a particular point. And in this series of Business Muscles, we will talk about why and how. In this video, I want to talk about the importance of the element called trust. Now, if you're a SME owner, the first outfall of not being trusting your subordinates is that they don't trust you. आप अपने एम्प्लॉयज को ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं, वो आपको ट्रस्ट नहीं करते, एक डिस्ट्रस्ट का पूरा माहौल क्रिएट हो जाता है जहां you are not able to motivate them to work, you're not able to instill the sense of ownership into them because they don't trust you, and they are also not able to find a long term innings with you because they don't trust you. Now, दोनों का नुकसान हो गया, isn't it? So we must look at why despite the fact that the business is yours, आपके पैसे लगे हुए हैं, फिर भी अनजाने में आप ट्रस्ट नहीं क्रिएट कर पाते हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज के अंदर. क्यों? भाई, सबसे सिंपल मसला ये है कि जब एक माँ छोटे बच्चे को चलना सिखाती है तो बच्चे के पीछे खड़ी रहती है, बच्चा गिरता है, बच्चे को गिरने देती है. The mother allows the child to fall. A good mother ensures that the fall is not big. A good mother buffers the fall so that the fall is not so big that the child is badly hurt. But हर बच्चा चलने के पहले गिरता है. So every subordinate does make mistakes before becoming perfect. Now, as a SME owner, अगर आप उसके छाती पे बैठे रहोगे और आप बोलोगे यार मैं इतना एक्सपर्ट हूं कि मैं आपको गलत करने नहीं दूंगा, तो ठीक है. अगर भी आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं, आप उसकी छाती पे बैठे रहिए. आप अपने मैनेजर को तनख्वाह दीजिए मैनेजर का काम करने के लिए, लेकिन उसके छाती पे बैठ के उसका हर काम आप खुद करिए. क्यों? क्योंकि आप चाहते हैं कि मैनेजर एक भी गलती ना करे. ना, क्या मैं ये हिदायत दे रहा हूं कि मैनेजर गलती करे और आपके पैसे वेस्ट करे? नो. You have to think as a SME owner that how do I allow my subordinates, my managers, to make mistakes, but they should be calculated mistakes. They should not be mistakes which should cost me like a fortune. And you have to start thinking that every mistake, because every mistake costs you some money, isn't it? Now, if you think upon that cost as a learning cost or as an investment cost towards developing your manager to become perfect, you are positive. But if you think कि अरे यार तूने मुझे लुटा दिया, तूने मेरे पैसे सारे गंवा दिए, you are the reason for my failure, I think you will not be able to make a team. So as a SME owner, you have to ask this question to yourself. Why is it that you don't have a good second line of defense in your company? Why is it that you have incapable subordinates in your company? Even though you took interview, you properly scaled them through before employing. So I assume that they are not stupid, they are not duffers, they are not buffoons. Despite that, why are they incapable? Why do you feel that every employee, every subordinate, every second line of defense of yours is incapable? Because Number one, you did not trust them. Number two, you didn't allow them to make mistakes. Number three, you do not have a mechanism. You do not have an algorithm of how and where to allow them to make mistakes. How can they make calculated mistakes so that without losing a fortune, you treat it as a learning course for developing your employees. Dosto, as a Chalak Malak, as a SME owner, if you do not have a good second line of defense in your company, if you're not surrounded by capable people around you, I know for sure that your life is going to be hell. And I also know for sure that you will not be able to scale your business beyond a particular point. Now, अगर ये दोनों भविष्यवाणी सही है और अगर आप इस बात पे इस्तकबाल रखते हो कि ये दोनों भविष्यवाणी सही है, तो समय आ गया है कि आप खुद के अंदर झांकिए और take it as a personal challenge to invest into developing a good second line of defense. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप अनलकी हैं कि भगवान ने आपको ऐसे लोगों से नवाजा नहीं है कि यू डोंट हैव अ गुड सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, या अगर आपको लगता है कि आप ऐसे शहर में हैं जहां अच्छे लोग मिलते ही नहीं, या अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप बदनसीब हैं और भगवान आपके ऊपर मेहरबान नहीं है, तो तीनों केस में आप गलत हो दोस्त. Time to look inwards, time to understand and master how to trust people, time to develop an algorithm of creating a learning culture where you have a solid second line of defense, a core group of people who are able to support your growth rather than having a core group of people who decelerate your growth. I'm sure you understand the merit of what we are talking in this video. And if you want to know further on it, please set up a personal call with me and we will have a 15 minutes discussion on this particular topic with you so that if required, we can take this discussion forward. For now, this is Sanjay Singh, your business performance coach, signing off.